I don't think anything's gone up in price or down in price. I'm okay with it.
Fraser Institute released a study on fiscal management by Canadian premiers, which looked at government spending, taxes, deficits, and debt. The researchers placed Manitoba's Kinew at the bottom of the list, but some experts question the fairness of this assessment. Jake Foss, director of fiscal studies for the Fraser Institute, says it is early in the tenure for Premier Kinew, and his government's fiscal performance was assessed only for 2024 and 2025.
Ultimately, we're looking at their fiscal performance because this is a crucial indicator of economic well-being for our province, and ultimately the premiers are the ones that are setting the direction for ultimately that fiscal responsibility over the long run.
Study ranks Manitoba's fiscal performance as lowest in Canada, but Foss says one of their reasons is that the province runs deficits.
Government spending, for instance, has grown much more fast than inflation and population growth. It's also grown faster than the economy itself.
Niall Harney with Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives Manitoba says this report sees the reduction of government spending as key to producing economic benefit.
Things like housing and infrastructure generate far more benefit and economic prosperity than something like tax cuts. What we're seeing is we've started to repair those systems after years of chronic underfunding, but there's still a lot of work that needs to be done.
Harney says government spending is going towards supporting social programs, healthcare, and addressing homelessness and addictions. Affordability is one of the issues addressed.
An increase in government spending in the year 24-25, which is really, that's the government responding to 7 years of major underspending in the province of Manitoba.
City News asked some Winnipeggers how they feel about affordability in the province.
Inflation is pretty high. I think, especially for the young people, young family, and they want to try have a good quality of life.
We seem to be able to manage. We're both retired, but it's always that last week that's always a little harder.
In Winnipeg, Sofia Frolova, City News.